Alright, this is my latest project finished. I redid my Harbor Freight 14-inch bandsaw. I moved the switch. I shined that table up like it's a dime in a goat's ass. Painted the light. That's not stock. But the real thing here is I rebuilt all of the jack shaft stuff that I had jury rigged years ago. See it there? Yeah, pretty cool, huh? Yeah, cleaned her all up. You can hear it, it's running really smooth. There's the jack shaft, the motor mount, all that good stuff. Anyway, that'd be it. A lot of fun, a lot of work. Done, I don't know, I think I got 2 or 3 weeks in it. But it's done, and I'm pretty damn happy.